And Frank and AJ, we have some whiteout conditions out here on the Mass Pike. I'm in the Charlton Rest area here on the Mass Pike, where at times you got those near whiteout conditions when the trucks come by you. Now, if you're going out in this stuff, plan on it taking 2 to 3 times as long to get there. Let's take a look live now at the Pike if we could. And you can see that there's not very many drivers out here. That's a good thing. That's allowing those plows to salt and sand. And they got an early start in this storm as opposed to the one earlier this week. 128 was snow covered west of Boston by about 5 a.m. Following the plows was a good idea. Drivers were taking the second snowstorm of the week in stride.
Going from Attleboro, going to Amherst, go on snowboard today, but it's pretty bad.
How are you finding the driving?
Bad. I mean, I'm just going to do a little drive.